Welcome to Navya and Ojaswi channel. Today we are going to make homemade donut. It's healthy, it's good, it's made by atta. I am going to tell you ingredients. We need half cup milk. We need 2 spoon oil. We need 1 spoon of baking soda. And we need half spoon of salt. We need 3 spoons of sugar. We need atta of 1.5 cup. We need 1 whisker and 1 bowl. We will add milk first. We have added the milk. Now we will add our oil that I have put in. Oil has been mixed, then we will mix it. We have mixed it. Now we are going to put 1 cup of, we are going to put the baking soda. In the salt, we will mix it again. And we will add the sugar. Then the sugar when it keeps in, then we will mix it like it is all over there. Now we have to mix it properly. Now we are going to put slowly the atta because we have more atta. Now we have spoon and put it, and we will take the spoon in this only. Now we have had this atta in the mixer slowly. Now we have done with mixing with the mixer. Now we will mix it with the hand. Come on. We will put this over here and we will mix it. You join it and just mix it. We have to make a dough because we have to roll it in the baler. Now our dough is ready. Now we'll put this for 10 minutes or 15 minutes aside. Then it will get little fat. Then the donut will be tasting yummy and will be good in our kitchen. And my mother made this roll with the baler. Now we are going to make a donut shape. We need 1 glass and 1 small cup. We will press it. Put it here. One more ready. Donut there in the gas. My mother is frying this in the ghee. All the donuts are fried in the kitchen. Now we are going to decorate all the donuts. First we'll pick up them. We will cover the up part. First we are going to put it over there. Our donut is ready with the melted chocolate. Now it's ready. I will see how it's looking inside. If it baked good, it means it's good. Crunch, crunch, crunch. See, it's baking good. Delicious. We put this on the side. I just done it. It was just yummy. I loved it. If you like my video, subscribe my channel.